Bitcoin goes to 65K again with a bear flag on the higher time frames. Getting stronger. Is more downside to come? Let's find out. Welcome back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 2:52 p.m. Eastern time and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 66,280. We start off here with the weekly chart. Been telling you guys this is not looking good. This is about to be the 5th week in a row with red candles here, and when we got this wick all the way down here almost touching the 200 moving average, I told you guys usually when there's a long wick like that we come back to eat it, and it looks like this might be the week where we could possibly come down. Right now this red candle is engulfing this prior red candle. The stochastics are low, the RSI is starting to get into this black abyss here. It looks like we might be coming down to retest this 200 moving average at 58,363. We take a look at the 5-day chart. We're below the 200 moving average. This candle closes in the next day and 5 hours, and again we're getting a red candle here. It looks like we want to come down and eat this wick. On the 6-day chart, we're barely above the 200 moving average here. That's at 64,416. We take a look at the 2-day chart. This is where I'm creating the bear flag, and this bear flag takes us all the way down to about 43K, and as you can see we're going sideways right now, filling out this flag. This candle also closes in the next day and 5 hours, and we're already starting to breach the bear flag a little bit here. On the daily chart, I told you guys this is looking to me like an M pattern. One top, two tops, a double top here. The stochastics are toppy. If we come all the way down here, I don't see how this double top pattern doesn't play out, and this does take us down back to about 5960K around there. As you can see, we're already on the neckline. Today could be the day where we end up falling down, and then we'll start making the measured move of this bear flag as well. We head over to the 22-hour chart. You can see that the stochastics are on the way down. We're weak here. We were never able to get above the 21 moving average with strength. On the 8-hour chart, stochastics still need more room to reset. The RSI here is very weak. We were never able to breach 50 here. It looks like we're on the way down as well. We head over to the 4-hour chart. Stochastics RSI are rolling over. We never had the strength to make it back up here. The RSI is rolling over. I have this, like I told you guys, in an inverted head and shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. The right shoulder starting to stretch a little bit too much. Today's Wednesday. I would say that if this pattern does not play out by the end of this week, this might be done. This measured move takes us to about 82K. This is the only hope that the bulls have, is for this inverted head and shoulder pattern to play out. I would say if we start getting below 64K, this pattern's done here. We head over to the 1-hour chart. You see that we're rolling over. We have bearish divergence here on the stochastics RSI. I was telling you guys yesterday that this could have been a head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head. This could have been a right shoulder, and this pretty much played out exactly. I see more downside here on the 1-hour chart, and on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are trying to reset. We're way below the 21 moving average right now. That's at 66,979. We could possibly make a move up towards it, but over here, I was telling you guys yesterday, if we lose this VRVP Bolge, we could easily drop down all the way to the bottom. Right now we're in the lower part of the VRVP. If we could make it back up, maybe we could make it close to 67K, but if we get rejected there, it might be over. I would see us possibly going down and retesting 64K. Right now the only thing that I see holding us up is 65K. We lose 65K, especially if we lose 64K, I don't see how we don't drop down to 60, retest that bottom from before, and there we would have to make it back up, because if we lose 60, then we're definitely dipping into the 50s again. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.